Tomorrow marks exactly 1 year since I started my very first custom blend with the world. Well, at least publicly. Um, I had no idea that Exotic Sunday would be the beginning of this incredible community we've built together. A year ago, three oils called to me during one of my most challenging moments, and what happened next changed everything. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to another blending session. I'm Jean from Voodoo. I'm Jean from Voodoo Blends by Jack, and today is incredibly special. Tomorrow marks the exact 1 year since I started this aromatic journey of creating and sharing custom essential oil blends with all of you on social media, Facebook to be specific. Um, YouTube came later. So, um, you know, uh, when I look back at how all this began, it takes me to that Sunday morning, just like this, right before Thanksgiving, and I was feeling that familiar mix of holiday stress, excitement. You know, the feeling, right? Work frustrations, 3 days instead of five. I still have to cram the same amount of work in. Upcoming shows that I have doing, and do I have enough inventory made? And then just that overall sense of everything happening at once. Okay, so I wasn't navigating this journey alone. I have to give a big, huge shout out to Katrin um, with AI Grim Blend Precisely introduced me to school. At that time, she was coaching me one on one and helping my business, my side hustle, move to the next step. So she was not just an amazing coach; she's been a cheerleader, my voice of reason, and honestly, it's such a crucial part on this whole journey. So, Katrine, if you're watching this, thank you for believing in me when I was still figuring everything out. I'm still figuring everything out. So, okay, so there I was. Her encouragement echoed in my mind to create some content on a regular basis. I turned to my oils for clarity, for help. Not really sure. I don't remember. But Exotic Sunday was born. My very first custom blend that I shared with the world. Honestly, that kind of changed everything. Obviously, I did custom blending in person for many years, but this was my time to share it with more than just that one person at my table. So we start with wild orange. And this blend is wild orange. Yes, sweet orange is my absolute favorite, but wild orange still holds a special place in my heart. It's like that friend who never lets you down, always there to give you comfort, a reminder of life's beauty. Wild orange is so much more than just uplifting, right? Mm. It carries incredible magical properties of joy, abundance, creativity. Citrus oils, like sweet orange, are ruled by the sun. They bring optimism, success, and that bright energy when you need it most to help manufacture, to help manifest your dreams. So on that stressful Sunday, it was exactly what my spirit needed. Not just comfort, but the magical reminder that abundance, joy are still possible. All right, second oil in the blend. Here we go. Gotta smell it first. This is, and I apologize, I have a tough one with this pronunciation, is Amyris. 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 This beautiful woodsy oil that grounds you instantly. Mm, it does ground you instantly. I mean, just release shoulders. Okay. When everything feels chaotic, um, Amyris whispers, slow down, breathe, you're safe. Um, Here's what makes it truly special. It's known as the West Indian Sandalwood, even though it's not a sandalwood plant. It carries powerful properties of protection, meditation, spiritual grounding. The magical work of it, excuse me, really helps with that deep spiritual grounding. Um, It's got an incredible ability to create that sense of coming home even when you're lost, because it literally connects you to your spiritual center and creates a protective energy around you. All right, third, final, but not least important, is Balsam of Peru. Rich, warm, almost like a gentle hug in a bottle. Mm, sweet. Oh, vanilla. All right, this beautiful resin carries magical properties of love, protection, healing. It's used for centuries in spiritual practices to attract love and create emotional healing. I need that. When I was feeling overwhelmed and disconnected, Balsam of Peru didn't just smell comforting, it was working on those energetic level to heal my heart and attract the love and support that I needed. It adds a luxury depth to the transforming of that special blend or that simple blend into something more magical. So let's blend. I didn't write down how many drops. We're going to go with the 1 1. Oh, two. I guess two is wild orange wanted to happen here. Okay. Amyris. I'm going to go with 1. And Balsam of Peru. So far, 2 wild orange. Again, Balsam of Peru almost got 2. Resinous. Okay, here we go. You know what's amazing about this? It just doesn't it just doesn't smell incredible. It's many levels. I can smell the wild orange. It's help for that joy, that manifestation. Oh, I'm missing. Balsam of Peru is really coming through, and wild orange is really coming through. Let's put on a little Amyris. That, what depth. Oh, now I know why I call this exotic. This is really very, I mean, love, healing. This is sanctuary for my soul. Oh, energetic. Oh, beautiful. Again, the exotic, that combination of those different oils to kind of pull this together. Still amazing a year later. Okay, you know I love combining music with my essential oils. I originally wanted to use the Little River Band song Happy Anniversary for this celebration because I really like the song. But when I started to listen to the lyrics, just wasn't what I was looking for. I found another song, same title by Slim Whitman. It was kind of perfect. So the lyrics are about celebrating another year of love gone by, thanking someone for each day they give to you, and how it's not about getting older, but getting better. That's exactly what this journey is, what my oils have done for me. It's been amazing. This past year isn't just about creating all these custom blends every Sunday. It's been about building a community of love, of connection. We're not alone, like last week's video. Each day you've shown up, each comment you left, each time you tried one of the blends, you've given me a gift. Just like the song says, we're not just getting older, we're getting much better. So when I'm stressed, frustrated, overwhelmed, that's when my intuition seems to guide me exactly what I need. I might not always be listening to my intuition, but it is there for my challenges. So, as I reflect on this incredible year, I ask you the same question I asked at the very first post. What's your go to remedy when you're feeling overwhelmed? How do you turn to creativity to lift your spirits? So, whether it's blending oils, cooking, painting, writing, or simply taking a mindful walk, creativity is our path back to ourselves. This blend, putting these 3 oils together, it's amazing. Okay. So, here's to another year of blending. Here's Slim Whitman. Thank you for being part of this community, supporting my passion. Thank you for reminding me. I'd love to hear from you. What creative outlet helps you? Have you tried this blend? If not, maybe now's the time to do it. Don't forget to like this video if it resonates with you. Subscribe for more blending adventures and aromatherapy inspiration. Leave a comment below sharing your creative remedies. This is an important milestone for me. Your engagement means the world to me, and I hope this community continues to grow. I'll see you next week for another custom creation. Until then, happy blending, and remember, sometimes our most beautiful creations come from our most challenging moments, especially when you have amazing people cheering you on like you.